Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add products to Wix website. There are two ways you can do this. The first option is if you had selected an online store while creating your Wix website, you can do this from your dashboard right here. So all you will need to do is go into your admin dashboard, then go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you could select store products, then you could tap on products. From there you can add physical products or you could add digital products by simply tapping on new product in the top right hand corner. Then from there you can select whether it is a physical product you'd like to sell or a digital product, for example like an ebook or anything that is printable, and you'll be able to add your products right there. Now if you would like to add products, for example for drop shipping, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option again. Then from there you could tap right where you see e-commerce app, or you could scroll down and you could tap on apps and then select app market. Either one of these options you could select. So let's say for example I were to tap right where you see e-commerce apps. It is automatically going to open up the app store, and from here you can select any one of these options as you can see right here. But what I would recommend you do, you can tap right where you see explore app market. Once in the app market, I'm going to show you which app to download. So the first thing you want to do as the app market loads up, if you would like to do print on demand, you could simply tap on print on demand. But since we are planning to do some drop shipping, all we're going to do is tap right where you see search apps. Then we're going to simply type in drop shipping. So let's do that real quick. You can see it right here. After you have tapped on drop shipping, the app recommend that you install is SUP Dropshipping. While you can install Spocket, and I also highly rate Spocket, the thing with Spocket is you only get a limited trial period. With SUP Dropshipping, you can use it for completely free. So you can tap on SUP Dropshipping. Then after you have tapped on SUP Dropshipping, you're going to tap on add to site. And once you have added it to your site, you'll be able to get once you have added it to your site, you'll be able to get products from AliExpress onto your Wix website. And now if you did not select online store when creating your Wix website, all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus. Once you have tapped on the plus for add elements, you are going to select store. Then after selecting store, all you will need to do, you can select product widget. Just for example sake, I could select product widget, and I'm just going to simply tap and drag and place it right here. After you have done that, you're going to automatically see it add to this section. You can add it to whichever section you want. Then all you'll need to do now is tap on manage products. Once you have tapped on manage products, you're going to be redirected to the first option that I had shown you, and then from there you'll be able to add products. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.